My video will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware type application called FeaturePerformance. FeaturePerformance is the adware that belongs to the adload family of adware type infections. This particular adware strikes Mac computers only. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. FeaturePerformance adware, once installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So, if it was mistakenly added to your browser, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. Check your applications, find this FeaturePerformance, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.